The Shark EveryMess claims it can replace 3 different cleaning tools. But can it really? Or are you better off buying dedicated machines instead? Before you spend your money, here's what you need to know about where it genuinely performs well and where it doesn't. Let's start with the most important question. Does it actually solve the problem it's designed for? For the right type of cleaning, yes. But that doesn't necessarily mean it replaces 3 dedicated machines. The EveryMess is designed for everyday accidents, not whole house cleaning. That's where it performs best. One machine picks up the dry debris, extracts the liquid, and tackles the remaining stain without switching tools, making cleanups much quicker. Suction is stronger than you'd expect for something this compact, especially on mixed messes. Liquid pickup is its biggest strength, quickly extracting water, coffee, and other spills before they soak into carpets or upholstery. The trade-off? Fresh stains clean up well, but older stains remain unpredictable. Like any portable stain cleaner, results depend on the stain, its age, and the surface. The small tanks also mean frequent emptying on larger jobs. So while it can handle 3 different types of mess, that's not the same as replacing 3 specialist machines. Understanding why makes the buying decision much clearer. Strong suction helps extract spills instead of simply moving them around. Suction isn't the whole story though. The cleaning solution mixes at the spray head before reaching the surface, helping break down stains before extraction. Dedicated attachments make it easier to tackle a wider range of cleaning jobs throughout your home. Maintenance is straightforward. The self-rinse function flushes the hose after use, but you'll still need to empty and clean the dust cup, along with components like the filters, to keep it performing at its best. These features don't make it outperform specialist machines, but they explain why it's so effective at the everyday jobs it was designed for. I've linked the latest price below in case there's a deal running. Build quality is solid. It feels sturdy. The hose is long enough for most everyday cleaning tasks, and the carry handle makes it easy to move around. Because it's compact and easy to store, you're more likely to use it immediately after a spill. So the build quality supports the convenience. But does that convenience actually justify the price? That depends entirely on how you clean your home. If you regularly deal with spills, pets, or car interiors, the convenience alone justifies the price. But if you're expecting it to replace a full-size vacuum cleaner or deep clean entire carpets, dedicated machines still offer better performance. Its value ultimately comes down to whether its strengths match how you clean your home. If your biggest frustration is constantly switching between cleaning tools for everyday spills, the Shark EveryMess is an easy recommendation. Its biggest strength isn't replacing every cleaner in your home, it's making everyday accidents much quicker and easier to deal with. Use it for that purpose, and it's a product that's easy to appreciate. If it sounds like the right fit for your home, I've left a link in the description. So where does the Shark EveryMess land on the worth it scale? It earns a worth it score of 8.8 out of 10, making it a worth buying recommendation. If you decide this is the right product for you, you'll find links in the description below. I review trending products so you don't waste money on hype. If that sounds useful, subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications.